Hi guys, hey unicorners, it's me back with another video, and this video will be me making some slime. So I will be showing you and telling you, and these are two different ways of making slime with two different slimes with two different colors, which is pink and green. I'm sorry, I hold them up too close. Let me back out because I was holding them up too close to the camera. So now, let's get started. If you are looking for a video how to make slime without glue, then you came to the wrong channel because I use glue on my channel. So I'll get to you guys once I get it open. So 3, 2, 1. This is it. This is the glue. And as you guys can see, this is the glue. So first ingredient that we're going to do with it, first thing we're going to do, I guess we can make the green slime. Yeah, so let's put the fruit coloring in it. I'm so sorry guys, I had to put the camera down. Pick you guys up. That's good. Now we're going to mix it because, we gotta, how we going to get it to be a color if we don't mix, right? So let's mix. Ooh, this is coming out great. And once you put the dye, you're gonna put something else in it because the dye and the glue is not gonna make slime at all. So you could try it, but I'm telling you, it's not gonna make slime. I will keep on mixing till it's completely. So I'll get to you guys once it's completely blue. Alright guys, the slime is completely blue. Well, the glue. So now we're gonna put some shampoo in it. So I'll get to you guys. Once I put the shampoo in it. So guys, I just put the shampoo in it. Now I'm gonna mix. But guys, now I'm gonna zoom in because I want you guys to see. I'm sorry if it was kind of blurry when I zoomed in. See you guys when I'm mixing. Guys, now I mix it. It's gotten like thick. So next step is dish detergent. So I'll get to you guys once I get it. So guys, this isn't just any detergent. It's Dawn. So we're gonna put it in. I'll show you guys. Because I want you to go. I'll put some in different areas. So get to you guys as I mix it. In 3, 2, 1. So guys, now it's almost done, as you guys can see. Almost done. Now we're gonna put some detergent. The detergent I'm using is Tide, and put some stuff in it, some different kind of glue, but don't mind it. Use detergent. Okay. I'll get to you guys once I am mixing. So guys, this is it. I put the detergent in it. You guys can see and mix it. So guys, I'll get to you guys once I am done. It's forming. Get to you guys once the slime. And guys, this is how the slime turned out to be. And yes, I do already have a blue slime, but this. Oh. but this one is better than that one. This is the one, right? This is it right here. Sorry, guys. I mean, this is it. It's like darker, it's thicker. You guys can see, yeah, it's just like this. See? Look at this one. See, it's floppy, but this one is just like poop. This one, you can't stretch it either, but look. Okay, so it's kind of like, I'm trying my best right now. Okay, this is what happens, right? It break, guys, see it? It broke. This is my shinier and stuff. It can't stretch either. The shinier that one. This one actually stretched. But it don't stretch that far. It's gonna break, and I don't like it to break. So guys, as you see, it broke, and it's like rubbery. See, that's it. And this is a piece that broke off. It's not a balloon, I'm telling you. It's not a balloon. So guys, this is it. And this is the other way. And I might be able to make it. But guys, that's depending. So this is the next slime. Sorry about the balls. Let's try the other one. Guys, that's the glue. And now we're going to put it inside. So this one is just a little bit of dough. Wait, we forgot to put our food coloring in it. And our other one is I'm looking for it right now, guys. So I'll get back to you when I find it. This is it. Sorry about the long video. It's supposed to be pink. Looks like a pink. Did you guys see it? Sorry about the mixing tool too. It's also from the this arm, but you guys can see it's like give me 1 second, I'll get to you guys when it's all done. Okay guys, it's all pink now. Now guys, we are gonna put some dough in it. 1 second. Now, tie it. I'll get back to you guys once it's all done. Well guys, it did not work. Just kidding, it did. Came out like the blue one. Except a little softer. got more glues and we've got a little bit more time. So guys, we will get started. Just trying to make sure this happens before 8 o'clock. So let's get started. Till next one. And it's very simple. It's just glue and detergent. So here we go. And purple. Sorry, it looks blue, but it's actually purple. So we're gonna make a purple slime. Get to you guys once done. This is the face I made. Don't use your finger. I'll get to you guys once I'm done this whole slime. Bye. And 1, and 2, and 3. This is how the slime turned out to be. Pretty cute. We got some sparkles that I don't know where they came from. But this is the prettiest slime. I don't know what I'm saying. It's pretty like. It is purple. I don't know. But it's slime, and these are this is the first time I made was this one, of course. Over here in the light. So I said that. This is it. Next slime I got is pink slime. It's very, very good. It's darker than it looks. Take a glossy pink. I don't know what it is. Maybe see if I could change it over here. Ooh. I'm taking some pictures of it. The blue one. And the purple one. To me, through the camera lens, it looks got something on me. Just show you guys. Want to show you guys me getting it off me. Why? I'm just a square person. Let me show you. Let me flip it up. I can't flip it over, guys. Let me just. Yes. Oh, guys, that's me. Take it off. Oh, guys, that's fine. Put it on my purple slime. Got some dirt right here. That is. Alright. And that's for. Thanks for watching. That's it for the video. Well, see you guys next time. Bye in the corners. Mwah, and subscribe. Peace out. Peace.